Have you ever spent hours trying to edit videos faster, only to feel like you're stuck in a never-ending cycle of frustration? What if I told you there's a smarter way to create professional videos without the hassle? A FlexClip AI video editor is a game changer. It doesn't just save you time, it transforms how you edit by automating the toughest parts of the process. Let's face it, the traditional way of editing videos can be tedious. You cut, trim, adjust, and tweak, often spending hours perfecting a single clip. But with FlexClip, you're not just editing, you're optimizing. AI automation. Automate repetitive tasks like trimming silent sections or syncing subtitles. Time saved. On average, FlexClip users report saving 50% of their editing time. Let's dive straight into why FlexClip is a must-have for every content creator. Now check out the link in the description and sign up. Once you sign up on the FlexClip website, you'll find an intuitive dashboard where all your projects are saved in the cloud. This means you never have to worry about losing progress or juggling multiple files. Everything you need is in one place. Now let's talk templates. FlexClip's library is packed with hundreds of professionally designed templates for every type of video. Whether you're working on a business promo, a birthday slideshow, or a travel vlog, there's a template to fit your needs. For example, let's say you're a real estate agent creating an ad for a new listing. Instead of building everything from scratch, you can select a pre-made template, customize the text, and add your property photos. Within minutes, you'll have a polished ad ready to share. And FlexClip doesn't stop there. It lets you adjust aspect ratios to match your platform of choice. Need a widescreen format for YouTube? Use 16:9. Creating a vertical video for TikTok or Instagram? Switch to 9:16 effortlessly. Now, what really sets FlexClip apart is its advanced AI features. These include auto subtitles, text-to-speech, and multi-language translation. Imagine being able to create a video in English and instantly translate it into Spanish, French, or any other language to reach a global audience. Before I dive into the next awesome features of this tool, make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more content like this. Your support helps me keep bringing you tips and tools to level up your videos. Now, let's say you're searching for a specific template. All you need to do is head over to the search section. For example, I'm gonna type in movie template. Check this out. FlexClip gives me about 460 results. That's a huge variety of options, right? If you see one that catches your eye, just click the customize button and it'll take you directly to the editing page. If you want to upload your own video, image, or audio, it's super simple. Just click the upload button, drag and drop your file, and FlexClip will instantly add it to your project. From there, you can customize the text in each scene to fit your style. It's so easy and makes the whole editing process way faster. Let's talk about transitions for a second. FlexClip offers smooth, seamless transitions between scenes that make your videos look polished and professional. Whether you're creating a movie trailer or just spicing up a video, these transitions save you tons of time and effort. Oh, and the green screen feature, total game changer. With just a few clicks, you can replace your background, adjust the speed of your clips, or make advanced edits. It's all super intuitive. Now, subtitles. Let's be honest. Adding subtitles manually can be such a pain, right? But with FlexClip, it's ridiculously easy. Just one click, and the AI auto subtitle feature generates captions for you. You can also upload your own subtitles, or if you prefer, write them manually. Seriously, guys, this is a lifesaver, especially if you're creating content for a global audience. Say you're searching for something specific, like a birthday, wedding, or anniversary template. Just head to the categories section, and boom, there it is. You'll find templates for pretty much everything: family events, travel, business promos, you name it. And here's the cool part. FlexClip tailors templates for specific platforms. So whether you're making content for YouTube, Instagram Reels, or TikTok, there's always something that works perfectly. Ready to create your own video? Let's do it. And if you're working with a team, you're gonna love this. FlexClip lets you set up a team account. This way, multiple people can collaborate on the same project. It's a huge time saver for businesses or group projects. Everyone can share ideas, make edits, and contribute directly within the platform. Alright, let's dive in and create our very own video using FlexClip. First, head to the Create a Video section right here. Since we're making content for YouTube, we're going to select the 16:9 aspect ratio, which is perfect for widescreen videos. Now, if editing software like CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut Pro feels overwhelming or complicated, FlexClip is the ideal place to start. It's simple, beginner-friendly, and helps you build a solid understanding of the basics. Plus, it speeds up your editing process like crazy. For instance, I'm still a beginner when it comes to editing, and I usually work with CapCut. But honestly, sometimes it can get really tricky. That's where FlexClip comes in. It simplifies everything. Once you're ready to go, just head to the media section and start importing your clips. You can easily upload your video files, and from there you can add text, subtitles, and even stock footage. Speaking of stock footage, FlexClip offers a massive library of high-quality clips you can use to enhance your videos. And if you're looking to add images, you can either upload your own or generate unique ones right within the tool. You can also play around with different image backgrounds to get the exact vibe you're going for. Now, let's talk about audio. You can import your own audio files through the audio section, and there's also a library of music tracks available. But here's my advice. If you're planning to monetize your videos, I'd recommend avoiding their music library because of potential copyright issues. Instead, use royalty-free music or your own custom tracks. FlexClip also lets you incorporate cool elements into your videos like YouTube play buttons or subscribe animations. These are super important for grabbing attention and encouraging engagement. So let's walk through the process. I'll go to the media section, open my downloads folder, and select the video I want to edit. As you can see, the video uploads quickly and appears right on the platform. From there, I can drag and drop it into the timeline. If you want to add another clip, just click the plus icon, upload your next file, and drop it into the timeline too. Here's where things get fun. You can adjust your clips however you like. Trim them, cut out sections you don't need, or add effects and filters to make everything pop. FlexClip makes basic editing so simple that even if you've never used editing software before, you'll feel right at home. And the best part, it's a great stepping stone for learning the fundamentals of editing before diving into more complex software. Whether you're adding transitions, filters, or overlays, FlexClip gives you all the tools you need to create videos that stand out. FlexClip also offers affordable pricing plans. The basic plan starts at $12 per month, while the business plan designed for professionals and teams is $20 per month. Both plans include premium features like cloud storage, unlimited downloads, and advanced editing tools. If you're new to video editing, what's your biggest challenge? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to help. I need to tell you this, if you're not copying channels with AI in 2025, you are losing thousands of dollars. Click on this video here to watch how you can copy channels with AI in 2025. Don't forget to like and subscribe.